Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am actually going to be but playing with some of my slimes and trying to do an ASMR. Yeah, trying. You might have watched the video I've just posted and it wasn't very good because I filmed it on my phone and I didn't have much time. I had about 3 minutes to film the video because, that's all the time it gave me. So now I actually have 12 minutes to do it. So yeah, let's get on to the video. So anyway, this is the first one as soon as I'm playing with it. It's not that good, but it is. It's basically putty. Stretchy, but it's not like crunchy. And I don't actually know whether it can make bubbles. I don't think it can. It's kind of crunchy, I guess. It's not that tricky. Let's see. No, it did make a bubble, but a very small one. Yeah, it's not like crunchy. Anyway, moving on. We have this one. And that was very disgusting. But this is kind of basically just, I can't even speak. This is basically water. Well, not water, but got water on it, if you know what I mean. Because I added baby shampoo and water to this. It was really overactivated and it actually fixed it. This isn't slime, this is water. This is water from this slime and this slime, which will probably be the next one. Anyway. By the way, my tablet is in charge, which is what I'm filming on right now. So, yeah. It could possibly just end up ending. I don't think it will, but it might do. So, yeah. Let's see what percent is. Yeah, still on 5%, which is good. It's not been on that for very long because they've literally just put it on charge so I could make this video. Yeah, anyway, so let's show you the slime. Here we go. Anyway, so it's kind of stiff. It's crunchy, definitely crunchy. It's kind of clicky. I guess, kind of. Yeah, also I forgot to mention, don't forget to check out Adventure in Animal Crew, Maisie the Border Collie, and if you can find it, Cuddles' channel, which is Cuddles the Hamster. You probably won't be able to find it, and I don't actually know where I've uploaded any videos on there. I am probably actually gonna change, well, not change, but change my description because I won't open toys. I might do challenges. Well, I already have done challenges with Rachel, which is my friend from school. So yeah. Anyway, here is the blue one. It felt fluffy when I kind of made it. The story behind this is I tried to make jiggly slime and it didn't work, so the glue all went watery. It would have been good if I could have done a video on that, but I didn't because I just wanted to make slime for fun, basically. That's basically why I made slime, but yeah. Sorry if that was very unsatisfying, just squashing the slime. Yeah. So anyway, it didn't work. It just turned the glue into liquid, so I added loads more, and then that didn't work. So I decided to overactivate it, then add loads of baby oil and water. Not baby oil, baby shampoo, which surprisingly worked. So that's probably why all the water's coming out, because it's leaking all the water. Hey, look. Okay, you can see. normally, look, if I turn it over like that, and do that, and then I just do that, you don't really see a difference, but yeah, anyway. The difference, there is a difference. Now let's do the, look. Proof. It's probably going to fall in a second. Any second. There, dripping. Ah! Oops. Well, I told you it was going to fall, and then that scared me. This isn't a very good slime. It turns into noodles, which is going to be very unsatisfying. So I'll probably have to pause the video. I just realized, is this video going to be upside down? Sorry about my sister, Amy, from Adventure in Animal Crew, and my dad. They're being very loud. Yeah, anyway, this is going to be very unsatisfying. So, yeah, you're probably going to click off this video. So I'm going to pause the video and then fix the slime to how I want it. Because look at it now. Like, is it noodles? By the way, that's what I call it. I don't actually know the name of it. So I just call it noodles because it looks like, oh, it's fixing kind of. No, it's not fixing. Okay. Well, I'll see you in a second. So, yeah. I've got it to how I want it, and it's not even a very good slime. I'm going to admit that myself. So, see, it just got a massive hole in it. I guess it's kind of crunchy. It's not really clicky. Like, listen. And I have to if I sit here, it will fall, but it'll take a long time. Woo! Yeah, so that's that one anyway. I'm not going to show too long of that because I don't have much longer left. Then we have this one. This one's actually quite good, but it's not quite good. It is good. Yeah, I'm not gonna show too much of this one because I've already showed it in my other video. And yeah, by the way, the ASMR isn't included in this because I won't have time. Yeah, so that's that one anyway. Show one of that, and then this one. Ooh, ready? Okay, this is gonna be less satisfying than I thought. See, it's not even opening. Look. Well, that's kind of satisfying. I don't really know what slime and satisfying can equal. But, you know, look at that. It's actually a nice color. It's very dark in here. Let's go get another light on. Is that better? That's better. Yeah, anyway, so that's the slime. Glossy, kind of. Glossy, anyway. Don't know. Yeah, anyway, so here's the green one. I actually really like this. This is a slime smoothie. I don't know whether I uploaded, yeah, I uploaded the video to this. It's like khaki green. It's also kind of like a frog green. And it's actually a really nice green. So the story behind this is actually, I tried to make a nice green slime. And Rachel decided to put brown in it. And it actually made this really nice green. So I'm happy about that. And yeah, look at that. Woo! So yeah. Anyway, that's that one. Oh, by the way, it's kind of clicky. It's very crunchy. Very crunchy. Listen. Very nice. Let's try and make a swirl. I don't know whether people call them Instagram swirls or just swirls. or just a slime swirl, I don't know. But I'm just going to call it a swirl. That wasn't a very good swirl. But yeah, the slime can actually do better. It's just because I have 2 minutes. Yeah, 2 minutes. Not one after. I will actually do, oh okay, and another slime for sleep. Look. Ew. I kind of want to throw my big purple one in the bin, but I don't. Because there's like a lot of it and it's kind of wasted slime. Yeah, well, I think I'm going to end the video here. Thanks for watching this video. Just get this out. And I will see you guys next time. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to all the channels I mentioned at the start of the video. And yeah, see you next time. Goodbye. That didn't work.